AR55 TV, and we're with Lauren O'Farrell with her knitted phone box. How has this process been with you?
Long and painful, but really good fun. I think it's the biggest thing I've made ever. I have made like a giant squid before, which was 8 meters, but that was kind of skinny. Whereas this is it's a combination of hand sewing, hand knitting, and machine knitting. So it's taken about a month and 100 balls of yarn.
Brilliant. How was it getting were you running out of the colours that you wanted and having to match bits up, or did you stock up before you started?
I'm actually a wool company called Cedar kind of got in touch, and they've given me all of the yarn, so I haven't run out of anything apart from energy. Yeah, it's been pretty good actually, so it's all been fine, no panic there.
Well, that's great on getting sponsored by the wool company. What their name again?
Cedar, they're called. They're very cool.
If you need the wool, go to them because they look really nice guys. It's great for artists and such a massive collaborative artist to have a big piece of work in central London to be viewed. I mean, I'm so excited about this. How is this for you?
I couldn't be more excited. I've always wanted art in Trafalgar Square, and actually mine's going on the Trafalgar Square roundabout, so that's like an ambition ticked off. I can't quite believe it actually. Also, mine's going outside, and it's woolen, and it's going to rain, so that should be quite interesting. But I have faith in my yarn that it's going to stay up. Yeah.
Brilliant. How long was this making from when you got agreed to do the products?
It's probably about 3 or 4 months, but I only really started making it a month ago because I've had other stuff on, and normally I work with a team, but I did this one all by myself, so it's been quite a lot of long nights, 3 o'clock in the morning sewing wrongly because I'm so tired, but actually it's come together. It looks exactly like I thought it would, which is quite shocking for me really. Normally everything looks a bit odd, and I added some little creatures up the top to show that I normally make tiny things, but yeah, it's just been the most fun. I wish I could do it again afterwards.
Well, let's hope they're going to do one next year, because we 55 Factory wants to do one of these boxes. What other things are you working on, or when you stop this, what will you be working on from here on, or will you have a break?
I've actually got a book coming out called Stitch New York. I've done a London one already, so I think I'm working my way around the cities, and I do lots of different kind of crazy graffiti, so look out for knitting without permission after this one. Yeah.
Great, nice to see you. We're looking forward to seeing Trafalgar Square and your box, and we're going to be checking it out and confirming how this weather's treating it.
Yeah, I hope it goes okay. I'm sure it will.
This is 55 TV.